Okay, so today I turn 20. I'm super excited. Is this on? Are you on? Yeah, you're on. I'm super excited. I'm in my room. Sophomore year, I'm in Finley Hall, rooming with Harper and Mia. And I feel ready to embark on my life. Every day is confusing. I keep juggling between all my ambitions and my dreams. And it's so easy to be so confident in yourself when it's just you in your room thinking about your dreams and you're hyped up, and then when you're thrown into the real world with other people and it's different, you begin to remember why. We're at Winston Bakery and there's a huge line, or no, huge line, massive.
Nigerian guy.
Three, two, one. Hey, yes. Whee! Harper, everyone.
Reservation under?
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? I'm good. How you doing? Great, man. Welcome. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
You got it. You're welcome. What kind of water are you interested in? Still water, sparkling water? What do you think?
Just one current.
Still? So next to you have market tomato. You'll also find cucamelon in there, spotted prawn, and on top you have umami foam. Yeah. Enjoy. And we still got to talk about New York. I didn't forget. Your next course will be a henna custard with a grilled surf clam, scallion emulsion, and potato crisp. Chef recommends going to the bottom of the dish.
Ready then.
There we go now. Chef.
How was it? How is the dinner?
Phenomenal. That's what I would say. I can't put words at the moment to describe the food. Just umami, 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 umami.
And
Stunning.
you?
Perfectly balanced.
Perfectly balanced.
Perfectly balanced.
Yes. We're eating baby pigeon.
And thigh. Underneath the thigh, you'll find sauteed pea shoots. What I'm finishing the plate with is a smoked jam sauce, Korean barbecue sauce, a little spicy, sweet, and smoky. If you are willing to try, the chef recommends enjoying the head all together in one bite. Escargot, Pergo black truffles, and shiitake mushrooms. It is recommended to enjoy the baba alongside with the squab. Line up the palate after the heavy bold flavor of the squab before we transition into a bit more of a delicate dessert. Enjoy.
Yes.